The hardest part of working from home is right there in the title. Working at home and this desk. This desk really, really sucks. And I honestly can't even remember where it came from. So instead of trying to buy one, I'm just gonna make one. Taking a quick break because the battery in the drill's dead and because my knees are dead. 1 minute. I took 4 years of wood shop. This is the best thing I've ever built. So you know what, Mr. Siebel? You can go fuck. Look at all this. It's looking so good. I just broke my drill bit. It's still in the wood. Fuck. The desk is done. Well, almost done. The top still needs to be screwed down. It's all just sitting there right now. This little elevated piece is still just sitting here, but it's all done and it looks awesome. Maybe tomorrow I'll get like threaded pipe and the flanges and stuff, and I'm gonna turn this into like an overhead shooting rig so that the camera's held like that. You can do some really cool shots of like writing, and I just want one. But really, aside from that, the desk is pretty much done. Like I said, just screw it down, sand it. I want to put together an overhead shooting rig, and then it's done. I might stain it, I don't know. Kind of like the idea of just leaving it. Kind of like the idea of just leaving the desk like a natural wood finish and just letting it wear in on its own over time, just throughout use. But yeah, I am exhausted. I've been working on this since like 11 this morning, and it is, let's see if you'll pick it up, it's 10:54. So I'm probably gonna head to bed. I already skipped ahead and screwed it down, so now we're just gonna get right to sanding. Should be wearing some sort of mask or respirator, but I can't find mine, so I got the window open. I'm just gonna use my shirt. I'm literally destroying my lungs. But look at this desk. That is right, we're finally done with the desk. Come on, focus. It took a whole lot longer than I expected just because I kept adding little things. Finally finished the overhead shooting rig. It has worked out perfectly so far, as you just saw. Everything else is amazing. Got the power strip here for all my stuff. Got the power strip over there for the printer and all of Jess's stuff. Basically all she's using is just her laptop here. We have another monitor coming that we're gonna put somewhere. Let's move that out of the way. When you get back and just look at it, it is just fucking perfect. And for the overhead shooting rig, I did it as super simple as I could. Obviously you saw me make the base, and then this is just some piping from Menards. These are just some bathroom lights. This is just a 2x6 that I still need to sand up there. And then I got a 2x4 screwed across with little GoPro mounts screwed into that. And then this is just what was like a selfie stick so that I can use this to zoom the GoPro in and out. And with the GoPro, you can use the GoPro app to see what you're seeing on the screen, so you don't have to try to lean over everything like this and figure it out. And I put the mirror here just because really I had the mirror laying around. It's been sitting in a closet for the past year and I didn't know what else to do with it. So this works out perfectly, gets it out of the way. It actually makes this whole area seem a whole lot bigger than it actually is. So how much did everything cost? Obviously you can take this as far as you want, but here's what I have into it so far. The lumber was $92. I got it from just a local place. I think it would be cheaper at like Home Depot or Menards or like a big box store where they mass produce everything, but at the local place just down the road, it was $92 for, I think I got 10 8-foot 2x4s and, fuck, how many? For 10 8-foot 2x4s and 5 12-foot 2x6s. I wanted 10 6-foot ones, but they didn't have them, so we just cut some 12-foots in half. Lumber was $92. We got a box of screws, and that was $15 for a 100-pack box, 100 or 150. You don't need that many. If you're doing this, I used maybe 30 screws, roughly. You can do that a whole lot cheaper. You don't need the huge box, but I know I'll use them in the future, so 15 bucks for hold on. This is the box, actually. It's right there. So these are the ones I got. It says approximately 110 per box. And I used a pretty good amount, I guess. No, probably about 40. So you don't need this big of a box, but I'm gonna use them anyway, so we got the bigger box. The piping for the overhead shooting deal, that was about $40, I think. 40 or 50 bucks for 4 2-foot pieces of 1/2 inch and 8 of these little bases. And then the lights, for like the bases, it was 16 bucks, 8 bucks a side. And then the bulbs were like another 10 bucks for a couple packs. I think they were 3 packs actually. Two packs of 3 bulbs. So realistically, I have less than 200 bucks into this desk, and counting the power strip and the surge protector, I probably have right around 200 bucks into this desk, and it's amazing. I love it so much. It's gonna work out perfectly. It's the perfect height. It's right here. It's nice and relaxing. I can still get the chair under it because I like to work right like this sometimes. Just get right up to my chest and do these. Hope you guys enjoyed watching me build a desk. I might do more of like these vlog videos that aren't related to vehicles, just to try and get more content out there. If you guys would like to see that, let me know in the comments below. And like, comment, subscribe. Have a nice day. I don't know how to end this video.